Now, as I said, sun rises in the east, sets in the west. It is a law. Question: who made this law? Who is actually monitoring that sun has to rise in the east and set in the west? There should be someone who is actually maintaining or managing this law. I'll tell you another example. You take a mango seed and sow a mango seed, a mango tree comes, and what fruit we get from the mango tree? Orange. No, right? When you sow an orange seed, you get an orange tree, and what fruit we get? Pineapple. No. When you sow a mango seed, you get mango. When you sow an orange seed, you get orange. Who is making this law? That is the point. And when a man and woman come together, they get married and they come together, they unite, they beget, the wife becomes pregnant and she gives birth to a monkey. No, right? So when a man and woman come together, they get married, when they unite, they actually give birth to a baby, human being. It is a law. Who is making all these laws? Sun has to rise in the east, set in the west. When you sow a mango seed, mango tree should come and mango fruit should come. And man and woman come together, they have to beget a baby, human being. All these things are laws, the laws of this universe. As I said, every law implies a lawmaker. That means all these laws are also managed by a lawmaker. Who is that? That is God. That is a third proof. Now, two important fundamental questions actually are there in this entire world. What are these? Number one, what is the origin of this universe? How this entire universe actually came? Very important question. Second question, what is the purpose of this complicated universe? It is $1 million question. Unfortunately, in our schools and colleges, they are not teaching us anything about these subjects. So in schools and colleges, what we are learning? We are just learning information. And these information will not help us to create transformation in the heart. So that is why it is said education means, education word comes from the root word from Latin called educare. So educare means to nurture something. As I was saying, the seed doesn't have a tree inside it, but when you nurture the seed, that seed can actually become a big tree. So similarly, when the baby or when the small child is born, the child is born ignorant. But when it is educated, when it is nurtured very nicely, it actually develops and becomes a better person. So that is actually the meaning of education. So education should lead to transformation. But unfortunately, the current education system is not at all focusing on the transformation part, but they are just focusing on the information part. That is the point.